Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to reset, refresh your Mozilla Firefox web browser, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to jump in this video and we're going to start by opening up the Firefox web browser if it's not already open on your guys' computers. And you want to navigate over to the top right corner of the window for where the menu icon is. So left clicking on that one time will open up this new list. You want to go and left click on Help Now, and then left click on Troubleshooting Information. Now on the right side underneath Give Firefox a Tune-Up, left click on Refresh Firefox. We'll get a little pop-up saying Start Fresh to fix problems and restore performance. This will remove your add-ons and customizations as well as restore your browser settings to their defaults. Left click on Refresh Firefox Now. It will close the web browser out. You will get a little import wizard pop-up, but you might not have a chance to click finish before it disappears. And once the web browser has relaunched, you should be good to go and navigate over to whatever sites you were trying to get on before, or do whatever you're working on before you found this video. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.